Hey friends, welcome back to my 78-day solo journey through Southeast Asia series. In this episode, we are making our way to a new destination, but first, let me remind you of how far I've traveled. The adventure started off in Virginia, where I took a flight to Long Beach, California. From Long Beach, California, I took an 18-day cruise with multiple stops in Alaska and Japan, before my final stop on the cruise being Yokohama, Japan. From Japan, I took a flight to Bali, Indonesia, where I spent 2 weeks exploring Ubud and Kuta. And now, it's time to catch another flight to our next destination, Singapore.
Upside and down, and I don't feel like I wanna wear the crown.
You guys look so pretty.
About the free world, is it true what they say?
Very tinted windows, so these are nice. This is a huge plane. This plane reminds me of one of those big planes that I took to go to Guam. Like, it is huge. It's 3 rows, and then up front is like 3 and 4 rows. It's crazy. And I'm happy I upgraded and got this window seat. Closed it, so I don't think anybody sit next to me. We shall see. I wish the seats went up though. But they don't, you can't lift them up. That would have been nice.
Upside and down, and I don't feel like I wanna wear the crown. Oh, have you heard about the free world? Is it true what they say?
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I've been traveling on the road for 5 years now, and it's officially time for a change. I've put my home in storage, left my fur baby in the care of her godmother, and now it's time for me to explore and expand my wings outside of the United States. Join me as I navigate life on these international streets as a solo female traveler. I made it, friends. Okay, of course I bought some goodies, y'all. Let's see if I can get it all out of the bag. Peach and mango cold brew. Look at that. Cute. Let's see if I can sit you up there. Yes. I don't know what these are. They look sweet and yummy. One with these nuts, one without these nuts. This one is a soft vanilla situation. Y'all, I didn't know that I got 2, but I got both of them. This is a strawberry soft cake, so soft. And then I have the soft cheesecake one. And then also, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to put all this stuff back in here. This situation too. It looks so good. I have like a 30-minute drive. I don't have anything in my hotel room. So this will be good for now, until I make my way out. But yeah, I'm in Singapore, friends. This is so nice. Look at the detail. Speakers. I have a nice 30-minute ride to the hotel.
You're like the wind. You're like a butterfly.
Okay friends, are you ready to see what $1,500 for 18 days in a really nice location area gets you in Singapore? Here's my room. Ta-da! And I have a shared bathroom. Yeah, so this is my home. At least I have a little window so I have some light. But yeah, $1,500, y'all, because I'm staying here for so long. So I wish I could have extended my stay out in Bali, but the cancellation policy on this place was like, no, I would have lost half of my money. So I'm here, but it was so much going on here. I'm super excited, but today I'm gonna rest. Here's the ladies' shower area, the restroom, and shower. I have to use the restroom in the middle of the night, so that kind of sucks. That I'll have to put on clothes and shoes, but I've never done a hostel, so this is the closest to a hostel that I've ever done. Okay.
Always need to fly. You always leave. You never tell me where. You need the wind, the wind. It always takes you there. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need you here.
So it doesn't taste like American style cheesecakes. It's just a really soft, very, very soft cake, like a pound cake, you know? But our pound cakes are more dense. This is just soft like a pillow. Look it up, y'all. I'm gonna be big bag. Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag. So I do want to show the cute little touches that they have. They offered toiletries and everything, but I have everything I need. Super cute. Cute, cute. Oh, I look tired because I am. But what I'm about to do is figure out how I can make this small space work for me. I don't like how this is here because it's kind of like blocking some space where I can like put some of my clothes and stuff. So I think I'm gonna turn it this way, and I'll have more open space, and then I can keep one of my luggages here. They can store my luggage up front, and I think I'll just keep one in here and kind of have it open, because this is a sticky situation, friends. So yeah, I gotta figure something out. And again, this has come in handy hardcore because in Singapore I was using the EU version, but now here it looks like I need the UK version. So look at that. Boom shakalaka. This isn't sponsored, but I'll have it linked in the video description because this right here is just like on point. Friends, I figured it out. Yes. That's how I pack my clothes. So good thing I'm not a regular like packer. I use packing cubes. And I'm gonna hang my cubes on a little thingy thing, and then I can take my luggage to the front because I don't think this one will slide up under the bed. I'm gonna keep this one and keep all my little toiletries and stuff in that one. But yeah. Boom shakalaka. Boom. So I definitely should have kept it over here because when you open the door it's not gonna work. So we know that this works. And that's like all my stuff minus my toiletries. How perfect is that? This is so tiny, but hey, we're gonna make it work. Hello friends, this is my first real full day here in Singapore, and I'm making my way to go get some breakfast. I didn't know if my ankle fell off. Going to get breakfast, or really just something to drink and maybe a bagel. I was looking at things online and I kind of want to do a lot of things that seem to require real money or Singaporean money. So I Western Union myself some money because of course I lost my debit card in the ATM. So I don't have access to cash right now. So I'm gonna grab something to eat, and then we're gonna take a real adventure. I'm gonna try the train, which seems very easy. I used to live in San Francisco, and it seems like everything is color coordinated, which is great. So yeah, let's get us something to eat first. I forgot my neck fan. I don't know what I was thinking. So I'm gonna go back, eat my bagel, and enjoy some of my coffee at the spot. Oh, it looks like it's about to rain too. And it's like projected to rain this entire week. I think they're about to hit their rainy season, or their rainy season starts like now. So yeah, yeah, I'm about to go eat this and grab my neck fan, and then we'll see what it's like. But I might be purchasing myself a poncho or something of that nature, so I can still be out in these streets when it's kind of drizzling. I'm so happy I grabbed like a bunch of these from my dad's house, because to go to the restroom, this place isn't as fancy as Japan. Like Japan has like so many things to like wipe off the seat, sanitize the seat, and all that stuff. They don't have that here. So before I stick my booty butt cheeks on anybody's seat, go ahead, Alexa, play Bootsy, wipe me down. So it's been raining hard for like the past 2 hours. The weather just let up a bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a Uber. Kind of like, you know, one of those grab things, but not on the back of a bike. It's an actual vehicle. They'll be here in like 3 minutes to pick me up, to go take me to Western Union so I can go get these coins. And then I'm gonna come back and rest. It looks like it's supposed to continue to rain on and off till like 5 o'clock. After that, the night is mine. But Western Union closes, you know, at 5. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it now while there's a break in weather.
A few moments later.
This is my first time taking public transportation, y'all. So I have the tap to pay on my phone, so I didn't have to download anything. Hopefully you can hear me. So you tap when you come in, then you tap when you leave. And Google Maps is perfect. It directed me, let me know how long I need to walk. You can use the live view, so it'll literally tell you right when you get there. And it also gives you notifications letting you know how many stops you have until your actual stop. So this is really efficient. Good job, Google Maps. Your girl is taking public transportation. So that was the bus, and now I have an 11-minute walk. So let's pray there's no rain. Thank you, Jesus. We doing it. Public transportation, Singapore. This walk is so pretty, y'all. I hope it's not too shaky. I'm filming with my left hand. But yeah, it's so humid. I have my neck fan going, so hopefully you can hear me okay. But yeah, it's so green. Wow. And y'all, these homes, beautiful. Okay. Singapore people got money. Are those? Oh, I thought those was chickens. Because they are chickens. Some of them are chickens and some of them are birds, y'all. Wow. So this humidity ain't no joke. This is worse than Texas. This is worse than Florida. I don't know what I look like. I just wiped a whole bunch of sweat off my face, but I'm about to show y'all, okay? So please don't judge me. Okay, I'm glistening. But yeah, oh my gosh, that upper lip sweat. Y'all, it is moist around these parts. Oh My goodness. But hey, humidity is so good for my skin. It's almost like a sauna situation. Y'all, it just started thundering. I only have like a 4 or 5 more minutes of walking, so let's get there. Whew. And just like that, I made it, friends, and it just started to drizzle. So while I was out, I bought lunch. I can't remember what type of water this is, but it really looks like oatmeal is at the bottom. I got this meal. I can't remember the name, sorry y'all, but it's pork. So hopefully you can hear me okay. I have the fan, there's a fan like right behind me. If you can't hear me, I'll just do a voiceover. But I stopped eating pork in the US back in like February, and I haven't had anything pork until I went to Bali. I got some bacon, and when I tell y'all that bacon tastes so good and kind of different from the bacon that we have in the US, I don't know how to describe it, but it was good. And so when I went to this restaurant, literally everything had pork, and so I just went with one of the lunch specials. So let me go back and show you. These are little dumplings. Here's the broth. It has, I reckon, seaweed in it. And then these little I don't know, dumplings as well. Ooh, the broth is so good. So let's go ahead and taste one of these. Ooh, let's do it this way because that thing was about to burst. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I can't even wipe my mouth, y'all, but it is so good. Sorry. Okay, I'm about to put this whole thing in. Sorry. So I went and got my stand. This is so much easier. So taste the broth. Oh yeah, that's seaweed in there, definitely. So yummy. Came with, looks like soy sauce and some chili sauce. But I'm gonna taste one of these dumplings with just a little bit of juice before I add any of that extra stuff. Oh my gosh, they're huge. Huge. This food is so flimsy. So good. Okay. So for the soup, the dumpling soup situation, the drink, and those 2 little dumplings on the side was like 12 Singaporean dollars, which is probably $9 US. We get a little bit of a discount. It's like 1 Singaporean dollar is like 77 cents to us US dollars. I like this seaweed. So good. I want to show you how pretty the money is. Okay, $100, $50, $10. So pretty. 5. Okay. And look at how pretty this $2 bill is. What? So pretty. It's like Monopoly money, and the texture is so different. It's like almost plasticky, if that's the word. Here's what I purchased from the little shop store type situation. Big old thing of instant oatmeal, chips, and more ginger tea. My favorite.
So where do you want us?
The Florida girl is viewing another Universal. Let's see if this one's better than Orlando.